Hi friends, this is I Old Monk, and today we are with the iVoomi i2 Lite. So iVoomi is already known in India for giving some good specs in the decent or the budget price, and we are going to do the unboxing of the device and also check what are the box content. Also we'll check the camera, performance, gaming, etc. So just taking out the wrapper here and checking out. As the i2 was concerned, what I remembered, iVoomi i2 was also a full view display smartphone. Here you can see it comes in a black color, and as far as the price point is concerned, it is 7,000 something, but it will be going on sale for 6,499, which is 6,500, and it will be exclusive on Flipkart. And as far as the specs is concerned, it comes with a 5.5-inch full HD full display, full HD plus display. It has a dual camera with 13 plus 2 megapixel at the back. In the front it has a 8 megapixel camera. It comes with a 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB internal storage. It can be expandable up to 128 GB. Now we have taken out the smartphone from the box. Here you can see it looks good. It has a black glossy finish at the back. It is a plastic one, and here's the device. Let it get booted. At the same time we will check it what is inside. Here you can see the warranty card is there. There is also a screen guard, which is good. You can you don't have to purchase it separately. There is also a charging cable. This is a micro USB charging cable, and with this you will also get a charger, which is a i2 fast charging, because the device comes with the 4000 milliampere battery, which is literally a huge one, and there is nothing else. So now as far as the design is concerned, it has a 8 megapixel camera with LED flash in the front, and on the side you have the volume button, and also the power key is there. And let me just zoom in and show you. So the device has both the buttons on the right side, and the back it has a 12 plus 2 megapixel camera setup with LED flash. iVoomi is also written at the back, and here you can see it has a plastic body, and in the bottom as we go there is a speaker grills and nothing else. There is no charging slot in the bottom. I don't think that it comes with the both the speaker grills will be working. It will be only one speaker grill, and second is just for the design and the look of the unit. Coming to the top side, we are getting in the top there is a 3.5mm jack and the micro USB charging slot. So as we can see, there is no slot for expandable memory or for the SIM card slot. So I guess we have to take out the back cover and we will check it out what is in the back. So here you can see the 4000 milliampere battery. It is literally very huge. It looks very light in weight, and as far as the camera setup, you can check it. There is the SIM card slot, dual SIM card slot and the expandable slot. Both are at the same place, and where you can expand the memory with 128 GB, and there is a dual nano SIM card slot. So SIM card will be 4G VoLTE support. Now I am going to just pack it, and again going through the specs again. It comes with the processor of quad-core processor, which is MediaTek 6739, and it has a display of 5.45-inch SD plus, which is a full view. You can see the bezel-less display. It is running on Android OS 8.1 Oreo. And the rear camera is 13 plus 2 megapixels, the front is 8 megapixel, and the battery is 4000 milliampere battery. It has a 2 GB of RAM. It comes with a 16 GB of internal storage. So this is what the specs, what it is coming inside the product. So as far as the device is concerned, the one more important highlight is the camera, how the camera performs, what are the features it is offering. So in this device you are getting a pro mode, panorama mode. There is also beauty mode, face beauty, with a mono camera mode, video mode. It also supports the SDR photo taking, so you can take the SDR shot, high dynamic range shot. And now going into the settings, into little deeper, here you can see a lot of modes and editing, photography settings, where you can get the timer. You can also get the shutter sound, and other settings are also there. So now going back, we will check it out how the camera works and how the images came out. Now here you can see in the daylight it produces a good image quality. The greens are particularly green, and in the dark we haven't tested tested that yet, but here you can see we have taken a HDR shot, so high dynamic range shot is also coming good. The front camera takes a good picture, and coming to the macro shot, here you can see the detailing of the picture, and also the dial here you can see it came out well, so it takes a good picture. Here you can see the portrait mode, it blurs somehow but not completely, and the top here you can see I was trying to take a picture of a fan. So now coming to the gaming part, we tried out with the Asphalt 8. Definitely Asphalt 8 is little heavy on the device, and I am not being rude, but it can't take the game. It is little bit harsh on the device, as it only comes with the 2GB and 16GB storage, and definitely it will be little lag. The device was lagging. No, we didn't face any heating issue, but lag was there. If you want to play the lag free of Asphalt 8, definitely I will suggest you to put down the low resolution, and you can play the game easily. It can handle, or it may handle, I haven't checked that, but this is all about it. And sorry friends, we haven't tested the PUBG here. We didn't dare to try or test PUBG in this smartphone because it is literally a very heavy game, and I don't think so it can handle. It might handle, but it will be in the lower resolution. So this is all about the iVoomi i2 Lite. The smartphone will be going on sale through Flipkart from 4th of July, and the device is priced at 6,499, which is less than 6,500 bucks, and it will be exclusive on Flipkart only. This is all about the iVoomi i2 Lite. This is @ioldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.